Let's learn to spell do. D O D O do. Let's learn to spell eat. E A T. Well done. E A T. Eat. Four. F O U R. F O U R. Four. Get. G E T. Good job. G E T. Get. Tap the correct dot 3 times. Good. Four. Gate. Do. Eat. Good job. Let's make a sentence. It is cold. It is, well done, cold. Good job. It is cold. It is cold. Yeah. Do not jump. Do not. Good job. Jump. Do not jump. Do not jump. Tap the correct word. All. All. Well done. All. Tap the correct word. Yam. Woohoo. Yam. 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 Tap the correct word. R. R. Good job. R. Tap the correct word. At. 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 Good job. Pop the correct bubble. Stay for lunch. For. Well done. Stay for lunch. You are not funny. Funny. You are not funny. can buy two. Two. Well done. I can buy two. I will go next. Go. Well done. I will go next. I will go next. Go for help. Help. Well done. Go for help. Let us eat here. Here. Let us eat here. Good job. Let us eat here. I am happy. Well done. I am happy. Count me in. In. Good job. Count me in. Good job.